Pat McGrath always comes out with the cutest minis and is usually like lipsticks what I purchase, but right now she came out with this, which is a mini eyeshadow palette. This I believe is like the most affordable one I've seen, called Pat McGrath mini eyeshadow palette in Midnight Voyage. Really cute. She loves to put her minis like in this kind of packaging. Palettes are pretty pricey, so I would love to test out the formula for the first time with you. A lot of times when people buy minis, they get surprised like of how small the item really is. Really cute. Really cute. Her packaging is always on point. Feels really nice. Sells for $29. I will be listing it down below in the description in case you want to check it out. You're getting shimmers, mattes, and metallics in this palette. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Put it closely so you can see. Here's the back of the packaging. It's made in Italy. Wow. Yes, it's tiny. It's tiny. It's so cute. I love minis. A lot of people will say like that's not gonna be worth $29, but remember it's Pat McGrath and it's a really pricey brand. So it does come with a little film and it does come with a mirror. There are the shades. What do you think? I really liked it. I think it's very easy to use like on an everyday. Do some swatches and see how it swatches, and I'll also create a look really quick. Okay, I can even create a second look in another video. Let's just get right into it and see how these swatch. And this is a cruelty-free brand. These are all the shades. So there's your 6 shades. I don't know what look we're gonna create, but by the swatches it looked beautiful. Like they really swatched beautiful, really pigmented. None were like chalky. Seemed very nice, pigmented and buttery. I'm gonna be using some of these new brushes that I just got from the brand Alamar. You maybe probably got it too if you received Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Maybe I'll start with this one. I'm gonna go in with this shade here. This is a purple. I'm gonna look down and place it on the corner. See that? That is really pigmented. And if you want to bake, you can bake as well, just in case there's fallout. But right now I don't see any fallout. That's actually crazy. I don't see any fallout. So I'm just gonna deepen the outer corner, blend up, circular motions. How pretty that looks. I'm gonna go in with this bottom shade right here. I'm gonna pack this color. Wow, that is so pretty. So you just have several purples and browns. So if those are your kind of shades, you might want to try this palette. Look how pretty that looks. I love to have dark shades in my palettes because I feel like when I have really light colors, it really washes me out. Taking this shade here, the first shade, I'm going to place that in the inner corner. I just love doing that. And it just like brightens it up so nicely. Especially if you have like darkness in that inner corner. Wow, this is such a beautiful shade. Taking this purple here, very little, tap, tap, and I'm gonna bring it here. Just not to leave this bare, but you can definitely skip this spot. I'm just gonna take my finger and I just blend that out. Do like to go in and just tap a little bit of that purple again, and if you lost color there, it just brings it back nicely. Last sweep, clean everything up. I really feel like I want to apply that highlight even more. So tempted, but I'll leave it like that. To use eyeliner, you can go ahead and do your line right now. If not, you would just leave it like this. You can go ahead, apply your mascara or put some lashes. I'm going to do both. This is how I would look just with mascara. I'm trying to think like which of these two lashes should I put. Are magnetic lashes since I can't find my lash glue. You would use this pen as your glue. You can skip any part that you like, but this is going more for like the purple shades. I really like the formula. Yes, it's very little, but it's always convenient to carry a mini in your purse. This mirror, the packaging is cute and it's really nice as a gift as well. Highly recommend because the formula is just really nice. If you don't enjoy these colors, then obviously this palette is not for you. I'll leave a playlist of all the eyeshadow palettes that I have reviewed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.